Hi, I'm gardening expert Michael Perry. There are many different types of soil in the UK and with very different textures as well. So make sure you're familiar with your soil in order to plant the correct plant into that position. Some plants such as hostas really enjoy growing in moist soils and can reward you with lovely bright foliage and big bulky plants that act as ground cover in those difficult spaces. Ferns are also very useful for moist, shady corners. Sempervivum are very useful for stony, dry soils on slopes. We've also got two varieties of euonymus, which is a very useful and elegant evergreen shrub, which can be grown in sloping soils and very poor conditions as well. Silver-leaved plants such as Artemisia are also very useful where the soil may be of very poor quality. When choosing bedding plants for a dry, sandy soil, the Cape Daisy Osteospermum is one of the best options. It has flowers from June right the way through to the end of September. Now that's real flower power.